Congratulations on starting your journey for Beer First certification. The Beer First movement is a sales execution campaign solely funded by NBWA to focus on the positive attributes of the category, a way of using fact-based selling to turn data into dollars. NBWA believes the Beer First movement is critically important for the future health of the beer category. And there's a great excitement for this groundbreaking education opportunity. The movement began nearly 3 years ago as NBWA started an ongoing conversation about category health with our members and industry partners. We started this conversation based on the alarming decline of per capita consumption of beer in the past decade. And we remain just as alarmed as beer's share of the ethanol consumed in the U.S. has declined from 58% of the total alcohol market in 2000 to just 45% in 2020.
Out of those conversations came the Beer First initiative that is focused on delivering tools and resources to distributors centered on growing the beer category and stemming wine and liquor market share momentum. For the past 2 years, a work group comprised of distributor leaders from across the country, representing all major supplier networks and market types, as well as industry leaders, have worked to develop the tools you will learn how to use during this certification course. Mike heads up this highly respected work group.
Hey, as a distributor leader, I know firsthand what Beer First means to family-owned businesses working to preserve and grow for the next generation. Let me share why I'm so passionate about the Beer First movement. If we do what we've always done, we will potentially set ourselves, the teams we are privileged to serve, and our industry for the same results. We have an obligation to the generations both today and tomorrow to work harder to seek every opportunity to pursue the competitive edge, and the Beer First movement provides exactly that opportunity. Big picture and what it means, the value of Beer First, okay? So think about the value of Beer First, the meaning and the integrity that goes with that. We need to protect the integrity of beer versus wine and spirits, and it takes all of us. So again, thank you for being here for the Beer First certification.
You know, Mike, I could not agree with you more. We must deliver the Beer First message with industry consistency and expand the ambassadorship of the movement.
During this sales course, you will learn the details of each Beer First tool and how to use them to sell more beer. The toolkit currently contains Beer First sell sheets that are channel-specific, data-driven sheets to help sell more beer, meant to be used in the first couple of minutes of a sales call to talk about the value of the beer category, positive facts to share with the retailer to drive your agenda. We have off-premise sell sheets available for grocery, convenience, mass retailer, and liquor store. We have on-premise sell sheets available for casual dining, independent restaurant, neighborhood bar, and general on-premise. The sell sheets can also be localized and customized to meet opportunities in your own market. The second tool is the off-premise retail profit calculator, designed to show retailers how beer turns faster and generates more profit than those large wine and liquor displays. With just a couple of input fields, the calculator generates charts that help you show the retailer why beer would be more profitable. We also have an on-premise profit calculator that uses a few simple input fields to calculate how beer can be more profitable than wine or liquor during happy hour. Once you are fully trained on these tools, it will allow you to be part of the movement to return the beer category to growth as Beer First becomes part of the conversation with any buyer.
So think about the evolution of the sales call, why it's necessary to up the game of beer sales calls. Striking the right balance, data plus relationships equals the trusted advisor role. Beer has largely relied on relationships in the past, but that is shifting. The balance between data and relationships differs both by channel and by account. Striking the right balance will lead to the trusted advisor role and/or status more quickly. Data into dollars. Think about data into dollars and being able to sell syndicated data in a customized way. Think about the benefits of the Beer First certification. They include, it adds value to your customers. It differentiates the sales call versus your wine and spirits salespeople. It leverages indisputable data, and thus it drives a competitive edge. And it really also invests in your professional and development. What's in it for you, okay?
Now you know why we are so excited that the Beer First certification is part of your training. And we are thrilled to provide a way for all distributors and their sales teams to provide value to their customers and the beer category. In addition, as you may know, NBWA also champions a separate and distinct program, the Beer Growth Initiative and the Beers to That campaign that shares the same goal of the industry working together to grow the category. The Beer Growth Initiative is an industry consortium of brewers, distributors, and professionals that started working together on a campaign to elevate and celebrate beer. Be sure to check out beerstothat.com as you continue your trek to promote the beer category.
Beers to
Beers
that.
to that.
Cheers. Beers to that.